Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment AI in accounting. Week fifth, assignment fifth. So the first question is, which of the following best describe a cloud-based accounting system? So these are the option, and the answer of our first question is B, an internet-based platform for accounting and financial management. Now the second question is, what is one primary advantage of using AI-powered accounting system? So these are the option, and the answer of our second question is C, real-time data processing and analysis. Now the third question is, which cloud computing service model is most commonly used for cloud-based accounting software? So these are the option, and the answer of our third question is C, software as a service. Now the fourth question is, how does AI in cloud accounting improve fraud detection? So these are the option, and the answer of our fourth question is B, through pattern recognition and anomaly detection. Now the fifth question is, which feature is commonly associated with AI driven cloud accounting platform? So the answer of our fifth question is C, predictive in financial forecasting. Now, the sixth question is, what role does machine learning play in cloud-based accounting system? So these are the option, and the answer of our sixth question is B, automating routine tasks and improving decision making. Now, the seventh question is, which of the following is not an advantages of using cloud-based AI system for accounting? So these are the option, and the answer of our seventh question is B, increased physical storage requirement. Now, the eighth question is, what ensures data security in cloud-based accounting system? So these are the option, and the answer of our eighth question is A, multi-factor authentication and encryption. Now the ninth question is, which AI powered feature simplifies bank reconciliation in cloud accounting platform? So these are the option, and the answer of our ninth question is D, automated pattern recognition. Now the tenth question is, which type of data is most commonly used for analytic in accounting? So these are the option, and the answer of our tenth question is A, structural financial transaction. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.